Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple forest bases for your miniatures. Welcome, my name is Leif and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel called Devs and Dice. Today I want to show you how you could do a simple forest basing for your miniatures, be it D&D, Warhammer or Warcry. Alright, so for this exercise I'm going to take two pre-painted miniatures. I'm going to be using some white glue, some Battlefield rocks and brown battleground, along with an old hobby brush. First I take the glue and I just spread it all over the base. Then I sprinkle on some of that brown battleground. One thing, run your finger next to the actual rim of the base just to remove any excess. I water down some white glue, and this I'm going to use over and over. This first I'm coming in when just sort of coating everything, just make sure that it will not come off during gameplay. Now I'm coming in with some more white glue, and my objective here is just to add some of these Battlefield rocks here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cover all of this with that diluted white glue just to sort of lock everything down. At this point I would say that let it dry. Now once these bases are dry, we are good to continue, and as you can see, none of the pebbles are coming off. So I'm gonna hit one of them with some mid-brown wash just to sort of making everything a little bit darker. This is entirely an optional step, which you don't have to do. And the other one I'm gonna hit with some strong tone just to sort of dull it down a little bit. And this is the result once they have dried. Now I'm going to come in with some ash gray to just dry brush and get sort of basic highlights on the base. I'm going to go with gray because I want quite stark highlights in my bases generally. As a second coat, I do some arid earth, and this is just to bring a little bit of warmth to the base here and there. Then I'm going to start adding some green to the base by using white glue and Battlefield grass green and some summer undergrowth. Now for the Battlefield grass green, I actually like this as a moss, so I try to hit the rocks with this. For the summer undergrowth, I try to make it sort of come out from underneath the rocks, like a, well, undergrowth. Now for tufts, I'm going to use woodland tufts, swamp tufts, and of course a little bit of meadow flowers. I'm going to attach these using the same glue and tweezers. Let's look at the final results.